Taking charge of your health doesn't have to be complicated. Now expert guidance is on your fingertips. Open the link received, or you may visit the website and navigate to the e-learning section. The course page of Good Health by Yourself opens. Tap on Enroll for free. If you are a new user, tap on Register now. You may use your Google account or Facebook account to log in. You can also create a new account by entering your details and setting up your login credentials. Once you're in, your personalized learning journey begins. Just hit Start Learning to dive right in. Each lesson is delivered by experts. Watch at your own pace, pause, replay, and learn whenever it suits you. Take notes, download resources, and follow along with the full transcript. Reinforce what you have learned with quick knowledge checks at the end of each module. The course is divided into simple, structured modules designed to guide you step by step. You can also see course benefits, meet your experts, and go through FAQs. Your health journey starts with a single step. Enroll for free today and take control of your well-being at your own pace, on your own terms.
Mega, we care.